Hello everyone, in this video, I want to talk about 5 reasons why your smartwatch is not connecting to your iPhone. This is a very common problem, and in most cases, it is extremely easy to fix. To make this tutorial more effective, if you already have the app installed that your smartwatch uses, I recommend uninstalling it and installing it again, so you can follow every step exactly as I show in the video. 1. The first thing I recommend is checking which app your smartwatch uses. If you are not sure, look for a QR code icon in the smartwatch menu. Scan this QR code with your iPhone's camera. It will take you directly to the correct app on the App Store. Once you confirm the correct app, download it. 2. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on when you try to connect your smartwatch, because if it's disabled, your iPhone and the smartwatch won't be able to establish a connection. When you open the app, in some cases, it will ask you to enable several permissions. If this is your first time using it, you will need to allow the Bluetooth permission. For the tracking permission, in my case, I will choose Don't Allow for app tracking, and for the health permission, I will also choose not to enable it, just like I show in the video. 3. If your smartwatch does not appear in the device list inside the app, you can try 2 things. First, restore the smartwatch to factory settings. Look for an icon that says Factory Reset, Reset, or Restart. It may be in the main menu or in the settings of the smartwatch. After restoring or restarting, try searching again in the app. Second, go to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and check if your smartwatch is saved in the list of previously connected devices. If it appears there, select it and choose Forget this device. After removing it, go back to the app and try searching again. Four, make sure the notification apps you need are enabled. Open the Messages or Notification section in the app and activate all the apps you want your smartwatch to receive notifications from. 5. Check if the app your smartwatch uses is updated. Go to the App Store, search for the app, and make sure there are no pending updates. If there is an update, install it. If you enjoyed this video, I would be very grateful if you subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you all, and I'll see you in the next video.